All of them, including fair money, all of them ran away. After they've collected more than 10 to 15 million naira from me, and you're telling me that I should pay. I said it's never going to happen. So since that time, so God so good. I went online. I saw one article by one person that he said you should not pay them again. And I mean, I forgot the article. I read about the article. I said, So since that time, I said, oh, this is the right thing to do. And after that, after like few months, like 6 months or thereabout, I created a website that this thing we must. And not by that time, I've gotten myself my sanity back, everything back. So I just say it is time for me to help others. I'm just trying to paraphrase now so that I will not take much time again. So it's time for me to help others. So to the glory of God, I created a website. I created Facebook group, only Facebook group and all that. And the moment we created the Facebook group and everything, that's one guy also joined us and the admin and all that. In fact, before we realized, I now realize that there are too many people in bondage. About 50,000 people joined within 1 year or 1.5 years. 50,000 people joined. 50,000 people joined. Or within 2 years, let's say 2 years, 50,000 people joined. I was like, what? So since that time, we've been trying to tell people, don't pay these people, they're criminal organization and all that. Well, I didn't focus much on it until when I started the TikTok and other social media, and I realized that many people are suffering from all these things. So, and to the glory of God, more than 200,000 people are now free from loan apps, at least documented. I know there are many people that they just saw the platform and say, oh, let me see what is happening and all that. They will not even follow us or give feedback and all that. To the glory of God, we've been able to liberate more than 200,000 people from loan apps. To the glory of God, more than 1,000 people are now free from attempted suicide. To the glory of God, many people are now, those who are depressed can now come out and say, yes, I am now free. And we're not going to stop there until we are able to crush these people, until Nigerians are able to know that these guys are there to destroy them financially. And before I started, I just realized that there's this notion in me that said, now that you have been free, it is time for you to set others free. After about 6 months. And that has always been the anchor scripture. That the Spirit, I knew that the Spirit of the Lord is upon us here. Because He has anointed us to do this thing. He has anointed us to liberate people, to set people free from all this. So we're not just doing it alone. It's not my power. I can never take glory. It has never been my power and it will never be my power. Because I realized that I didn't do anything. God is just using this platform to liberate people, to set people free. And people will just see this platform one way or the other, and they will connect. We connect together, and one way or the other, they will just listen to what we have, our content, and God will take it over. I was shocked some months ago. About 3 people, they're about to buy themselves suicide notes, everything, just to head it all. And God used this platform to rescue them. So we should always thank God for everything. So that's why I can never take any glory. It's not possible. And at the same time, I can never, ever say, you must pay money before I give you expo. It's never going to happen because God set me free, and it is time for us to set others free. The only thing that we are doing now is to make sure that we contribute our own quota generally so that we can set people free, so that we can set people that are going through torment free from the onslaught of Satan. Now they are targeting students, they are targeting less privileged, their major target are the less privileged or growing citizen, so that they'll be able to make more money. So it's time for you and I to come together and fight these people. So thank you very much. I know I don't take a lot.